Autonomous Warrior is a Navy showcase for autonomous systems. The mission for MSENT, CSIRO's Data 61, and a number of other vendors was to support disaster recovery efforts. The hypothetical situation was an explosion on a riverbank. Damaged pontoons and collapsed buildings made it a hazardous site for rescue workers retrieving the injured. Together, MSENT and Data 61 provided a fleet of robots, 3 airborne and 2 ground-based, that worked together to scan the area and identify the location of survivors, scouting for and finding a safe location for the ground control station, enabling an efficient search using ground-based robots to carry UAVs into position for autonomous launch, using multiple unmanned vehicles to autonomously and collaboratively explore and map the site, and create one real-time point cloud map that was streamed to the ground control station. Explore indoor and under canopy with autonomous ground-based robots and drones. Automatically detect, classify and localize survivors, and produce 3D map coordinates of survivors' locations. MSENT and CSIRO's Data 61 demonstrated that a heterogeneous robot fleet controlled by one human operator at a ground control center can conduct search and rescue in disaster zones while reducing the risks for humans.